Take the hassle out of complex recipes with this Braun sauce and hand blender, providing versatile attachments, 750 watts of power and 21 variable speeds. The PowerBell blending wand features extra hard stainless steel blades to finely chop even tough and hard food. Enjoy extra fine results, which is splash-free and practically silent. With the variable one-hand speed wheel, you can adjust blending speed from slow to turbo with your thumb while you're holding the blender. This adds greater control while you prepare your food with uninterrupted speed changes. The puree and masher attachment is easily attached and dishwasher friendly, so you can create light and fluffy mashed potatoes and smooth pâtés quickly and easily without the strenuous cleanup. Prepare your meals with ease when you add this compact Braun sauce and hand blender to your kitchen.